Under the KYC and AML tab, you can add even more information. Here, you can specify whether this is a business relation whom you're doing business with on a regular basis. If so, add the date of when you began your relations with the customer. The purpose of business relationship is to define what is the general business the person is doing with you. For instance, currency exchange, trading, money transfer, etc. Fill in the purpose of transactions, their source of wealth, and if you've got customers that have a very big asset worth, you can add in their estimated monthly income and asset worth if desired. Under source, you'd put where you've gotten this information, directly from the customer through an online form, for instance, or via another channel. Here, you can check any necessary AML rules. For instance, if you want to put someone on hold or flag them as suspicious. You can also omit them from KYC reviews. This would be if you want to leave this customer out of any checks, for instance, for a shareholder, internal person, or someone who has been pre-screened. Whitelisting is for the system to know it no longer needs to do any sanction screening. For instance, the reason could be that their name is on the sanction list for the wrong reason. Maybe their date of birth is different, or their country of birth is different. You can whitelist someone until a certain date, so that you don't have to provide a reason why this customer keeps appearing on a sanctions list for a period of time. Here, you'd need to flag whether the person is a publicly exposed person, PEP, a head of international organization, along with the basis of your determination, whether asking them directly or finding them on a list. You'll see which sanction lists it's currently checking against, and you can always add new ones if you feel the need. If there ends up being a match of your customer with someone on the sanctions list, but it's a false positive, you would check this box, along with giving the reasoning as to why this person is not the person on the sanctions list. For instance, a reason could be that their birth dates don't match. If someone is acting on behalf of a third party, maybe a wife is acting on behalf of a husband, or vice versa, or an employee is acting on behalf of their employer, you need to provide this information here. All of this information you can add at your discretion, and it's not mandatory, but can prove helpful to you if you have it available to add to your database.